I used to work in St. Thomas Probation Office. When I start working there, I start going to the Adventist church. The principal there, the supervisor there was an Adventist. She was an elder. An elder is the Adventist church, is next to a pastor. She hated me because they placed me there and she wanted a friend of hers was to get the position, and lo and behold, they sent me. Remember, I went to university. I have my experience and I passed my interview. The woman hated me like a dose of poison. One morning she called me in the room, said she wanted to have a meeting with me. And I said, yes. She said she went to her bed and the Holy Spirit told her that I was at the commissioner's home, sleeping at nights and telling the commissioner things about her. And I said, excuse me? And she said, yes. The Holy Spirit told her that I am telling the commissioner things about her. If you stop it, me I'm not Christian, me a mischief maker. Bear in mind, I have never met the commissioner. I don't even know. I have never met him. We have never spoken. And the Holy Spirit told her that. That was one of the reasons as well I left the Adventist church. Because if the Holy Spirit could tell she that, then that means I am in a bad place. There's another Christian there. She and I share the same cubicle. According to her, Holy Spirit tell her that I am working Obi and putting Obi in her cubicle. And she hate me like a dose of pies because I am putting Obi in her cubicle. Bear in mind, all these people who are not assistant pastors are married to assistant pastor. They are elders. And one occasion, she said gunman trail her to her home. And I was the person who gave the gunman direction to her home. Bear in mind, I don't know where this woman live. They are all Christians and they are all top managers and they are the person who prep for the post because they are managers. Then I was transferred and they give me a warm time in that probation office, and one of them was pastor. Two of them were pastors. They were pastors, they were assistant pastors, and in a nutshell, they were the devil from hell. Then I was placed in Spanish Town Probation Office against another set of Christians. One of them told me that she go to her bed at night, one night, and Spirit tell her, say, I am at head office, telling people at head office things about her. And the supervisor, who was another Christian, told them at St. Thomas not to send me there because she's not working with me. And they gave me a warm time. So people wonder why I left the job and why I left Jamaica. It's a toxic work environment. They hate on you for no reason. And every day they go to them bed, Holy Spirit tell them something. So listen to me. Know God for yourself. The wickedest people I've ever known is that organization that claims to be a Christian organization. Know God for yourself. God will not ask T.D. Jake about you or anybody else. God will ask you about you. Happy New Year when it comes.